Document name System Architecture Document integrating language models in learning management systems. Project name LLM Integration Project. Version 1.0. Date. Author your name. Approved by approving authority. 1. Introduction. Purpose Define the architecture for integrating language models LLMs into the learning management system LMS. Scope includes high-level system design, components, and interactions for AI-driven features. 2. Architecture Overview. System components. LLM integration of a pre-trained language model e.g. GPT-4 into the LMS. Backend services cloud-based infrastructure e.g. AWS. Azure for scalability. API layer secure APIs for communication between LLM modules and LMS components. User interfaces for educators and students to interact with AI-driven tools. Database storage and management of user data and AI model outputs. 3. High-level design. LLM integration. Deployment of LLM on cloud servers for processing large datasets. Integration with LMS database for accessing user profiles and learning data. API layer. RESTful APIs for data exchange and authentication. Secure endpoints for encrypted data transmission. User interfaces. Web-based interfaces for educators to manage AI settings and view analytics. Student-facing interfaces for accessing personalized recommendations and feedback. 4. Detailed components. LLM module. Natural language processing NLP capabilities for automated grading and tutoring. AI-driven recommendation systems for personalized learning paths. Backend services. Scalable infrastructure to handle concurrent user interactions. Load balancing and fault tolerance mechanisms for high availability. Security. Data encryption and compliance with data privacy regulations. Access control mechanisms to protect sensitive user information. 5. Integration points. Integration with existing LMS functionalities. Course management, scheduling, and reporting tools. Compatibility across multiple devices and platforms used by educators and students. 6. Deployment strategy. Phased deployment approach. Pilot phase with select user groups for initial feedback and testing. Full deployment after successful pilot evaluation and adjustments. 7. Risks and mitigation. Risks. Technical challenges in LLM integration and scalability. Security vulnerabilities in data handling and AI interactions. Mitigation. Rigorous testing and performance optimization during development. Continuous monitoring and updates to address emerging security threats. 8. Documentation and training. Technical documentation. Architecture diagrams. API specifications. And deployment procedures. Training materials. Workshops and tutorials for system administrators and support staff on managing AI modules. 9. Conclusion. Summary of system architecture design and its alignment with project objectives and requirements. Approval criteria for architectural decisions and next steps in the implementation phase.